Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the Nux or Nux Mighty Light VT guitar amp or mini modeling amp, because it's not only an amp. There are a couple of things happening here, but first of all, let me show you how you can power it up, and then we can talk about different features. So you can power it up with this power adapter here. It's provided in the box. You can use 6 double-A batteries, or you can power it up using this micro USB port with your power bank. And it's portable. Cool. That's enough for the powering up. It's quite small. I expected it to be a little bit bigger, but I'm happy that it's this small. And there are quite a lot of things happening here on the control board. So when you switch it on, this is what's happening. It looks like a little disco pop. And then it's on. You can change the volume, you can add a little reverb or a delay, you can add an overdrive or even a distortion. There are 10 different sets of drums pre-recorded. So I would say this thing is actually pretty cool. Let's play a bit with it. Now, that's the volume to the max, the gain set to mid-level, my bass guitar to the max as well, and neutral delay or reverb. Now let's add some delay and see what's going to happen. You can change the level. And if you go with the knob on the other side to the reverb, that's what's going to happen. Now, my bass guitar skills are very basic, so please excuse me. Now let's go to the built-in effects. So that's the normal sound. Let's add a bit of an overdrive. And if you go to distortion, it sounds like this. It's not the cleanest sound, but it's pretty good in my opinion. Now, let's go and check the drums. So we have 10 of these presets and they're all quite fun. There is a little book. There is also an app coming with this thing. You can download it and control some of the aspects of the little modeling amp. It comes with a Bluetooth connections, so you can use it even as a speaker or something. In my opinion, it's pretty good. It's super small, super light, sounds quite good, at least for me. But as I said, I'm not a professional musician, so professional musicians might have different opinion about it. I think it's a decent price. I'll list it down in the description for you to take a look. And yeah, that will be it for this video, guys. Let me know what do you think, what's your experience with little modeling amps, if you have any. What instrument do you play? And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.